Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Engineer YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make a battery level indicator. It can be used to check any battery charge percentage. So let's get started. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, where you can get your own 2-layer prototype PCB for as low $2. So upload your Gerber file and order on JLC. I received my parcel after 5 days. Here we open this. Now first have a look on PCB quality. The PCB quality is fine and I really like this PCB. So first of all we have to place 1 kilo ohm resistor. After placing 1 kilo ohm resistor, we can add 4.7 ohm, 18 kilo ohm and 4.7 kilo ohm. Now we can place IN4007 diode, 20 kilo ohm potentiometer, dot bar jumper connector. Now we can solder all of these parts. Now we can add all of these LEDs. Please make sure this terminal is positive and this one is negative. First of all, add 4 green LEDs. And then add 2 orange LEDs. And last 4 red LEDs. So now we can put LM3914 IC on this circuit. As you can see, our battery level indicator is almost ready. We can add 2 wires for power up this circuit. So guys, you can see our battery level indicator circuit is ready. Please make sure this is plus point of this circuit and this is minus, and this is on off switch for LED dot bar switch. So you can short these 2 points each other. So guys, now we will calibrate our circuit using this variable power supply. As we know, the voltage of fully charged dry battery is 13.8 volt to 14 volt. To calibrate our circuit, we will connect this circuit to our variable DC power supply. After connecting, set the voltage at 14 volt and turn this potentiometer until all LEDs light up. This circuit will indicate low charging at 10 volt and full charging at 14 volt. Our circuit is now ready for testing the batteries. Here are a 12 volt retard battery. Now we will test the charging level of this battery. I will connect plus to plus and minus to minus. There are 10 LEDs on this circuit. Each LED indicate 10% of charging level, and you can see there are 5 LEDs are on. That's mean the charging level of our battery is 50%. If we connect our charger to this battery, you can see here our battery level increase. Hope you really like this project. If yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.